What's up, Ape Nation? This is Clay from Finance News. We have a massive AMC update for you today. But before we get into it, please smash that thumbs up button and hit subscribe. While you're down there, check out our description for a service called BlockFi. BlockFi is the easiest way for you to earn money with crypto. If you already own Bitcoin or Ethereum, don't keep it in Coinbase. Move it over to BlockFi so you can start earning up to 7.5% APY. Also, guys, if you use my link in the description, you can get up to $250 in free Bitcoin for just signing up and making a deposit. Check it out. All right, guys, I wanted to start off this video with this clip of Trey trades on Fox Business with Charles Payne.
First, I want to get a feeling of how you're feeling, right? The current pressure on AMC, a lot of people are looking to you. How are you feeling and what are you saying?
You know, Charles, I come back to essentially the why behind the trade. I think there are three main things that kind of drive this overall, trade over. It's the apes. You've got shorts that have not covered positions. You've got a bunch of systemic problems within the stock market that people are just flat out angry about. And none of those three factors have changed. You throw on top of that, essentially, this overselling territory where people are being fearful. And my hypothesis is when people are fearful, you need to be greedy. I view this as a buying opportunity and not as a bag holding opportunity.
How do you pick a level? In other words, earlier in the week, it broke under the 200-day moving average. Generally, that's when all hell breaks loose. Are you looking at certain levels, or are you just saying in your mind at these levels, period, it's oversold?
You know, it's funny, Charles, because I have a YouTube channel calling out that this would essentially fall back down to about $32 to $34 sometime in the near future. It was short-term bearish. I'm not an unrealistic person. I recognize that stocks can't always go up. They also go down. So right. I called out that $32 to $34 level of support just based on previous trends over the last 6 months of trading. And sure enough, it bounced right off that $32 level and then back up to essentially $37 today. Up about 2-3% at the moment, but it seems like so far, knock on wood, that was a pretty decent support level in order to get a good buy-in.
It was a good call.
Guys, I love Trey trades. He is such a professional. AMC is not a dead cat. This interview was proof of that. On to some other news, guys. AMC margin debt is at an all-time high. This happens prior to a market crash. This is a positive for AMC. That was posted by Tawfiq Fazlullah. And to add to that, fixed income markets revenue, quarter 2 2021, JP Morgan, negative 44%, Goldman Sachs, negative 40%, Citigroup, negative 43%, Bank of America, negative 38%. Bonds are depreciating. Yikes! Reading the fine print of Q2 2021, Goldman Sachs dumped $5.5 billion of their equity assets on top of $1.5 billion in purchases. That was very similar back in the housing bubble. First in, first out. Those came from @KringleKitten. I wouldn't be surprised if the market crashes soon. Several signs are pointing to that happening. But fundamentally, I don't think it will affect AMC or the short squeeze. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to go down to the bottom of the page, tap that thumbs up button for me, and subscribe to the channel. And while you're down there, go get yourself some money by signing up for BlockFi. BlockFi is the easiest way for you to earn money with crypto. Using BlockFi, you can earn up to 7.5% in interest per year with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. Also, using our link in the description, you can get up to $250 in free Bitcoin for just signing up and making a deposit. Check it out. I'm Clay for Finance News. See you guys next time.